This is the combined gas law calculator for mathcelebrity.com. There's two ways to get there. You could type combined gas law, or if you know the 5 out of the 6 items of the combined gas law, you can type something like this. So P1, T1, T2, V1, V2, and also P2, which I haven't stated, which means we're going to state 5 out of 6, and then the 6th one we want to solve for, we don't put it down. We separate each one by a comma or and, the word and. So let's go and run a shortcut. So this is the calculator. Now if you're on here, here's your P1, V1, T1, P2, V2, T2. So you just enter your items in the box. And as you can see, the instructions tell you enter 5 out of 6. So because we ran the shortcut, the calculator figured out we want to solve for P2. So no matter what we're solving for, we go ahead and here's the combined gas law formula. And then we're going to cross multiply. And finally, we're going to divide each side, isolate, and solve. Once we solve for our variable, in this case P2, we're just going to plug and chug. Simple enough. So now let's go ahead and plug in 21.875 and let's solve for T1. Should get 200. Again, the CG law formula, cross multiply, divide, isolate, and simplify, and here's T1. So we multiply out and we do get 200, which is great. So now let's go ahead and plug in 200 here and solve for P1. Again, we cross multiply, divide, isolate, plug in our numbers, and we get 100. So that's great. So far, so good. We've solved for, I believe, 3 out of the 6. So let's plug in 100 here, remove this, solve for V1. Again, same principle. Cross multiply, isolate, plug our numbers, we get 50. So that's 4 out of 6. Let's go for V2. Hopefully we get 80. Same thing, cross multiply, isolate, and we get 80. That's 5 out of 6. Let's go for the last one, T2. Let's go for 70. So we get 70. So as you can see, we can solve for any of the 6 inputs for the combined gas law formula. Another feature I want to show you here, generate practice problem. It'll generate a random problem for you. Press it again. It'll generate another random problem. And then you can just push this button and it'll solve. We also have a quiz generator, and for more information on how to use that, use the video link under this folder here. Any questions or enhancements, please use the Contact Us link. Thanks for watching.